How to use ChatGPT for WordPress website. Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use ChatGPT for WordPress website to make it even more faster. So first of all, just open your ChatGPT and all you have to do is ask ChatGPT to write a simple code for WordPress speed optimization. And as you can see that the ChatGPT has written this code, and not only this, ChatGPT has also given me the instructions that how I can use this code to optimize my WordPress website to make it even more faster. So all you have to do is use a fast hosting provider and then just keep your WordPress core theme and plugin updated. Make sure that all the plugins are up to date and use a lightweighted theme. Then just use optimize, compress and resize images before uploading them, and limit the number of post revisions stored in your database to reduce its size, and add the following code and just go ahead and copy this code and copy it there. So this is how basically you can use ChatGPT for WordPress website. So that is it for this video. If you find this video to be helpful, make sure to hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more such informative videos, and I'll see you the next time.